So, well, this is the WLtoys F949S Cessna, and I just made my first test flight, and I said it's a very affordable plane to start with. You have to know how to turn and climb, so a little experience is required, I guess, and it's a little bit windy, so I have to put on the gyros, so it's gonna self-level and try to maintain the direction without being affected from the gusts. And also I set the radio to high rates, as I think it turns very slowly otherwise, and it's a little bit too windy here, open P. So I only need to use half the throttle and just float around, and it works. Let's see if I can fly this within the camera's range, because it's a small plane and it gets very quickly even smaller in the video. Hand launch and just float around. Oh, the wind takes it quickly. I think it's too far away already. So, oh, what happened? Blew. So I think I stalled. That's why it started shifting from left to right. So put the throttle a little bit above half and then float around. I suppose I maybe should have used the wheels, because it's a little bit tail heavy without the landing gear. But the gyros keep it very steady unless I fly too slowly. And you do all the steering. I use mode 2 with the radio, so all the steering is done with the right stick, and the throttle is affected by the left stick, and that's it. You don't have to fiddle with the switches during flight, I guess, if you don't want to do some acrobatics or something like that, because you might want to turn off the gyros. But since this is only it doesn't, oh sorry, this is not for acrobatics, I say. It's a beginner's plane, just to float around. And I don't want to turn off the gyros, because the gust took it, and it quickly became small. Oh, I stalled it there, sorry. So let's not turn off. So the advantage with this one is it's very light, and I don't think anything happens unless you hit the rock or something like that. It's just to throw it away again. I got a spare propeller and some spare screw, but I hope I don't need it. So let's go again. I turn off the gyro. So the gyros are on. And funnel up. And then float around. So it's very small, so you can stall it, and it tips from side to side and loses height quickly. So, but I flew at low altitude just to be able to catch it with the camera, but I'm not sure there's gonna be much video with the plane anyhow. So, the wind is coming from my right, so that's why it looked like it's fast going to the left and then back to the right. It's a little bit slower, and the gusts are annoying. I should be doing this in the evening when it's calm, but it's midday, so we have some shifting winds. Oh, there's battery left. I try to switch off the gyro and it starts jumping. So it's very sensitive to the gas if you turn off the gyros, but I could almost make a loop. I didn't switch up, so I'll turn on the gyros again because this is a bit dangerous, I guess. Oh, there. So I'm too far away, I guess. So there's gonna be a lot to cut from this video. Let's see if I get anything. But here we go again. A few laps close without hitting any trees. I guess I have to go against the wind a bit and then try to make a slower flyby if possible. Oh, there you see the wind shaking it. The gyros do an excellent work keeping it in level. It's just a little shaky, but if you fly manually it's hard to compensate these gusts. So I guess if it would have ailerons, you maybe could fight the gusts a little bit better, but it's only 2 channels for steering, so oh shit, wind took it, so I had to fight. I thought I was going to stay in the tree. I think I have to take it down because I think the wind takes it too easy. It's not so fun. I'll come back some evening instead, so then we drop it here. Oh, well, yeah, it's a very nice plane, pretty fun also, and it's easy to bring along, and that was one of the main ideas I had buying this, that I can take it with me. So